The forms are always changing and moving. But throughout your life, there's always been me. And that me is that which perceives. That never changes, never comes, never goes.
If when you say background stillness, if we're talking about the same, because somehow I can't find it in the background, but whenever it becomes obvious to me, it's like so everything.
Yes.
And that, yeah.
You're right, it's not in the background. The problem is with the language, no words can accurately describe it. So all the words are just pointings. And once you directly know it, then you don't need the pointings. And you can recognize the pointings are a bit obscured. So whatever pointing works best for you, use that one. There is no background and there is no foreground. We could also say underlying, but that's not accurate either. Analogies can be used, like the analogy of the space, which makes up the room. That's the essence of the room is the space. And the forms, the chairs, the laptop, the speaker, the flowers, are appearances in the room. Is this the room? No, this is the flowers. The flowers are in the room. The room is the space. Who are you? You are consciousness. You're not the flowers. And you are the flowers. Because it's also true that these objects are in the room. This is a paradox. There's two. There's the space and the objects. Are the flowers separate from the space? Is a cloud separate from the sky? There's two and it's only one. That's why this can't be understood with the mind. It makes absolutely no sense to the mind. If we make a painting, we have the blank canvas on which the painting appears. Is the canvas separate from the painting? We can say there's the canvas because we saw it before the painting appeared on it. And we can say there's the paints. The paints are not the canvas. But when you look at the painting, the two are one. It's like this. The canvas is like consciousness, and the expression in forms is God's painting, God's dance, God's music. They're one and the same. So the formless can't be found in any location. It's like space, the space of the room. If we take down the walls, where does the room begin and end?
And yet it's the only foundation.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
I just recently, I read a pointing and it really helped. And I feel like I want to share that. It was like, remember any past situation or project yourself into any future. Compare that with where you're right now and see that there's something that is always there.
Yes.
And I found like if I was 5 or 10, it doesn't matter. There's this, it's just the same presence, we could say.
Yes. The personality changes. When you were 5, the personality was different from now. The things you like and you don't like change. When you were 10, you liked things that now you don't like. Or you didn't like things that now you do like. The body, it's a totally different body than when you were 4 years old. The forms are always changing and moving. But throughout your life, there's always been me. And that me is that which perceives. That never changes, never comes, never goes.